it is Sonja. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my master bedroom doing some deep cleaning and a little bit of fall decorating. This video will be my last fall decorate with me video. I have already shared my home tour and I will link it all at the end in case you have missed it. I started a tradition of switching out decor in my master bedroom seasonally about 2 years ago. I mostly just switch out pillows, maybe add some blankets and add some decor, maybe on the mantle and sometimes on my dressers and night table. So far I have taken off the bedding and I had put it to wash, and I am adding my other sets of sheets. I am also switching out my Euroshams for my fall pillowcases. I had DIY'd these from a thrifted fabric. We have a really special thrift store nearby that sells quilting fabric, and most of the quilting fabric is donated, so you can always find great deals. And I love buying especially seasonal fabric here that I can make, table linens or pillowcases and things like that. My plan for our room is really to create a cozy retreat for us at night. Maybe my plan is to use decor that has been left over from decorating the rest of the house. This year I have a ton of it since I went very minimal with my decor. Leftover decor is actually what has started my master bedroom decorating.
I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Once my bed was made, I proceeded to clean up all the laundry that was all over the floor. Some days, there's just a ton of it. We just throw our clothes on the floor and move on with our day. But most days I do pick it up every single day, but there's sometimes where life gets in the way and things just don't get picked up. So I'm going to get sorted out what needs to go in a wash and what needs to be put in away.
And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show.
Now all the cleaning products, supplies or products that I'm going to be using are method cleaning products. I love using them. They are fairly easy now to get in at our stores. Some stores still don't have everything, but I have 2 stores that I know for sure I will find things that I need. And for this room, I am using the wood polish and a glass cleaner. And I'm using a microfiber cloth to wipe everything down. I don't know if you can see. I think it was last year fall decorating. I had decorated everything. I put my window back, and in the middle of the night it fell, but it fell on top of I had a pot, so it actually broke a glass. So I have to be very careful when I'm cleaning it so I don't cut myself. I have been thinking about replacing it with something else just for the safety purposes, but I really love the way it looks here. As I mentioned before in a lot of my cleaning videos, my husband doesn't like too many things on his nightstand. He knocks everything down while he sleeps. I'm not quite sure what he does. And he also likes to keep his iPad here charging because he uses it for reading. And so he just wants very minimal. So I have managed to be able to keep this fake plant there. My side is a little different. I have books, I have my charging stuff there, and so it's a little bit more busier than his. And as always, I'm never alone. My helpers are always not too far, hanging around, watching what I'm doing, keeping all the bad guys away from me, keeping me safe until the vacuum comes. Then they're gone. Nobody can find them.
Someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car, let me see who you are, who you really are, yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle, no, I just gotta know. If you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Let's be honest for a second, yeah. You're being over your head, babe, 'cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel
So to finish it all up, I give my room a good vacuuming. I am using my stick vacuum because with my ball Dyson, the carpet attachment is broken. It won't work. And with my stick vacuum, my hard floor attachment doesn't work. So I'm kind of using this one for almost everything upstairs and the other one for deep cleaning downstairs. I still use this one for everyday cleaning. I did have to return my Shark or my iRobot. I actually returned both of them. They just could not keep up. Even running every day, they couldn't finish the whole house and they couldn't keep up with the dog hair. So that is it for today's video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and stick around. You don't want to miss out any of all the new content that is coming your way in the next 2 months. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.